radio was terrified to hear an EF3 tornado was bound to come near. Relief washed over him and his county wasn't named, till the weatherman said the storm is gonna head Celina's way. That was the town that held the girl who held his heart, and his trucking job was the only thing keeping them apart. But he couldn't stand the thought of not being by her side, so he turned those 18 wheels around, and then he quickly dialed, and he said, Celina,